She's moving.
No, I have to go chill.
You guys, stop. I just want to record her, so stop moving.
Chill.
There you go. Okay, don't touch anything. There you go.
More paper. One more paper. What her first letter is her name? She got it! Let's see if she can crawl 5 steps.
No, just 2, because if you put it too far away, she can't see it. Okay, put it down.
1, 2.
Hi, baby girl.
She just cut.
Come on. Yay, Ashen. Yay!